Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Raddy from Incredibox. So let's get started. To draw this cool red Sprunki, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start here with two big circles. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to try my best here. If you're not comfortable with drawing these big circles, you could definitely find something to trace. But I think it just looks better if it's not too perfect. There, so I'm going to have one and then I'm going to go right across next to it and then draw another circle. There, so now there are two big circles and I'm going to cut it in half, so about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line. And I'll do the same thing for the other eye, right across. And then, let's see here. We're going to draw another half circle about right here. Just follow your bottom curve and up. And then just shade this all in. And same thing over here. There. So now that I have the eyes in, let's go ahead and draw the mouth. So I'm going to come down, say about right here, and we're just going to kind of draw this straight line, but with a very slight curve. There, something like that. He's not a happy Sprunki. There. And then from there we need to basically, let's see here, kind of draw this circle for the face. So just to make it easier, I'm just going to come to the top of my eye and come about right here. Just kind of imagine giving myself a little bit of space from the eye. So I'll just say about right here. Give myself a point. Same thing on the other side, approximate. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start curving around my eye. I don't care for it to be a perfect circle, but I just want to kind of just draw this big curve. And I'm just going to come down and say about right here. I'm just going to start right in the center and give myself a point, just so it makes it easier for me to see where I'm going. Since I'm drawing pretty big, I'm just going to draw this curve to meet this point. But if you're drawing small, you definitely don't need to do this. Just makes it a little bit easier to draw this big curve. There, so I got one big curve in. Then I'm going to go ahead and just fill up the top. And on this part right here, hopefully you're using a pencil because we're going to need to erase because we need to draw a bunch of spikes. And I just feel it's much easier if you draw this circle first and then put in the spikes and just erase. But if you don't want to erase, you can definitely just draw in the spikes first. There. Okay. My attempt at a brown head. So as you can see, definitely need to make adjustments. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead. I'm just going to come here quickly and draw the brow before I forget. I'm just going to draw a curve coming down right over the eye. And same thing on the other side. There. And then now for the spikes. So right in the center, let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this curve. Right in the center. And just to make it easier, I'm going to find the center point and I'm just going to go up. Say about right here. And using that as my guide, I'm just going to draw a line all the way down to my 2 points to create my first spike. And then we're going to come to the sides right here next to it. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw another curve. And once again, at this angle, this is my center. I'm going to go out about right here and do the same thing. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. Find your center, go out, approximate, just like the other side. There, got 3 spikes in, and then we have the one that's outside. So just easier for my hand. I'm just going to come out about right here and draw in this angle and bring it in. So same thing on the other side, right next to it, about right here. And I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm just approximating the correct area. So just kind of take a look at the other side. If you want, you can drag this point across if you want it to be as accurate as possible. So let's say about right there. And just use that as your guide and bring it all the way down to your points. There. Okay, so then finally we can draw the easiest thing is the neck. So right here and about here, we're going to center it and we're just going to draw an angle line down. And same thing here. And bring it down a little bit more. And now that we're about the same height, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a straight line. There. And last but not least, like all the Incredibox I've drawn so far, I'm going to put a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute Raddy from Incredibox. But before I go, I almost forgot, I need to come in here and just erase this really quickly. So like I said, hopefully you're using a pencil. And you can just erase this. So thank you for all the love for the Sprunkies I've drawn so far. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you want me to draw more and which one. I've done the pink one, the green one, the orange one, and now the red one. There, and that is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw Raddy here and that I made it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.